How to learn English with ChatGPT. Step by Step 1. Welcome to your English journey. Hello and welcome. Today, we are starting a new journey together. The journey of learning English with the help of a powerful tool called ChatGPT. Learning a new language is not easy. It takes time, practice, and motivation. But now, thanks to artificial intelligence, or AI, it can become easier and more fun. ChatGPT is a type of AI. You can write to it, and it will write back. It is like having a teacher, a study partner, and a guide, all in one place. You can use it at home, in school, or while traveling. You just need internet and some curiosity. In this guide, you will learn how to use ChatGPT to improve your English. You will learn how to write better, speak more confidently, understand grammar, and grow your vocabulary. This guide is made for beginners and for people at level 2, A2-B1. The language is simple, and the steps are clear. Let's begin your English journey, step by step. 2. What is ChatGPT and how can it help? ChatGPT is a smart computer program. It was created by a company called OpenAI. You can ask ChatGPT almost anything, and it will answer you. It works like a chat, so you type a message, and it replies. But ChatGPT is more than just a chatbot. It can help you learn in many ways. You can practice conversations in English. You can ask questions about grammar or words. You can write texts and ask ChatGPT to correct them. You can learn with stories, games, or quizzes. For example, if you want to know the difference between make and do, you can type. Can you explain the difference between make and do with examples? And ChatGPT will give you a simple explanation. The more clearly you ask, the better the answer will be. ChatGPT is fast, helpful, and available 24/7. 3. How to start. Good prompts, good learning. To learn well with ChatGPT, you need to give good instructions. These instructions are called prompts. A prompt is what you write to ChatGPT. Here are some tips for writing better prompts. 1. Be specific. Bad. Tell me about English. Better. Tell me 5 easy rules for using past tense in English. 2. Give context. Say who you are and what you need. Example. I am a beginner. I want to practice greetings in English. Can we have a short conversation? 3. Choose the style. Example. Explain this to me like I am a 12-year-old. Or, write this in a polite, professional way. 4. Use role play. ChatGPT can act like a waiter, a shop assistant, or a tourist. Example. Let's practice ordering food in a restaurant. You are the waiter, and I am the customer. 5. Ask for examples. If something is not clear, say, can you give me an example? 6. Break big questions into small ones. Instead of, tell me all English grammar rules, ask, what is present perfect tense? How do I use it? With clear prompts, ChatGPT becomes your personal English coach. 4. Practicing speaking and listening. Even though ChatGPT doesn't speak out loud by itself, you can still use it to practice speaking and listening. Step 1. Type a short dialogue. Example. You. Hi. How are you? ChatGPT. I'm good, thank you. How about you? Step 2. Read the lines aloud. Practice saying the words clearly. Step 3. Record yourself. Optional. Use your phone or computer to record and listen. Step 4. Ask for feedback. You can type, can you check my pronunciation? Or, is this sentence correct? Also, ChatGPT can create listening practice for you. You can say, write a short story about a day in London. Use easy English. Then, you can copy the text into a text-to-speech tool or AI voice reader to listen and repeat. This is called shadowing. You listen and repeat at the same time. It's a great way to improve your accent and fluency. 5. Building your vocabulary. Learning new words is very important. But it's not enough to just read them. You must use them. ChatGPT can help you grow your vocabulary in many ways. Ask for word lists. Example: give me 10 words for talking about travel. Ask for definitions. Example: what does adventure mean? Ask for sentences. Example: use adventure in 3 easy sentences. Play vocabulary games. Example: can we play a word guessing game? Here's a game idea. You give me a definition, and I will guess the word. ChatGPT: this is a place where you sleep during a trip. You: is it a hotel? ChatGPT: yes. Great job. Repeat, repeat, repeat. Use new words in your writing and speaking. That's how you remember them for a long time. 6. Writing better English with ChatGPT. Many people are afraid of writing in English. But don't worry, you have ChatGPT. Here are ways it can help. 1. Sentence correction. You: I going to the park yesterday. ChatGPT: you should say, I went to the park yesterday. 2. Style improvement. You: I like to learn. ChatGPT: a better sentence might be, I enjoy learning new things. 3. Paragraph feedback. Write a short story, email, or description. Ask, can you check my grammar and give suggestions? 4. Writing practice. Ask, give me a topic for a short essay. Then write, and ask ChatGPT to correct it. 5. Text translation. You: translate this to English. Sem sa norsit angliktinu. ChatGPT: I want to learn English. Writing with I is like writing with a teacher who never sleeps. 7. Learning grammar without fear. Grammar can be scary. So many rules, so many exceptions. ChatGPT makes grammar easier. You can ask for explanations in simple English. Example: what is the difference between will and going to? Ask for examples. Example: give me 5 sentences with because. Ask for comparisons. Example: compare past simple and present perfect. Do mini quizzes. Example: give me a short grammar test on conditionals. You can even say, explain this like I'm 10 years old. Or, use pictures or emojis to help me understand. The more you ask, the more you learn. Don't be afraid to ask the same thing in different ways. 8. Reading and understanding English texts. ChatGPT can help you read and understand English texts. Summarize. Ask, can you make this story shorter? Explain. Ask, what does this paragraph mean? Simplify. Ask, rewrite this in easy English. You can also practice reading aloud. ChatGPT can give you short stories, news articles, or dialogues. Ask for different levels. Give me a short story at beginner level. Tell me a news article in level A2. This is perfect for daily reading practice. 9. Testing yourself with ChatGPT. To learn well, you must test yourself. ChatGPT can create mini tests, vocabulary quizzes. Ask, give me 5 multiple choice questions on travel words. Grammar tests. Ask, test me on the past tense. I want 10 fill-in-the-blank questions. Reading questions. Ask me 3 questions about this short story. Speaking practice. Say, let's do a speaking test. Ask me 5 questions about my weekend. It's fun, and it trains your brain. You can even time yourself and try again later to see your progress. 10. Creating your English learning plan. With ChatGPT, you can create your own learning plan. Just say, I want to learn English. Can you make me a weekly plan? It might say, Monday, vocabulary 10 new words. Tuesday, grammar, past tense. Wednesday, listening 5-minute story. Thursday, writing, short paragraph. Friday, Speaking, practice conversation. Saturday, review, quiz and corrections. Sunday, free choice, watch a video or play a word game. You can change the plan to fit your life. Just 20 minutes a day is a great start. 11. Tips for learning every day. To learn English well, you must practice often. Here are tips for success. Be consistent. 15 to 30 minutes every day is better than 2 hours once a week. Speak out loud, even if you are alone. Speaking helps your brain remember. Use mistakes to grow. ChatGPT doesn't judge. Make mistakes and learn from them. Ask questions. Curiosity is your best friend. Have fun. Use games, stories, songs, whatever you enjoy. Celebrate progress. Every small win is a big step forward. ChatGPT is always here to help, but remember, you are the hero of your learning journey. 12. Final thoughts. You can do this. You have just learned how to study English step by step with ChatGPT. Let's review. Ask good questions. Practice reading, writing, speaking, and listening. Learn grammar and vocabulary in fun ways. Test yourself and track your progress. Make a plan and stick to it. AI tools like ChatGPT are changing education. But they are not magic. The real power is in you. Your effort, your time, your heart. Use ChatGPT as your assistant. Learn smarter, not harder. And always keep going. So, are you ready to start your English journey with AI? Let's go, one step at a time. Thank you for watching. Do you want to learn more English? Watch our next video, and don't forget to like and subscribe. See you soon. Hand waving.